Hello, this is Extremely Smart Liberal here with an extremely liberal and smart video for the first time. In these videos I will discuss such things as politics, economics, the environment, and even comedy. I will not discuss the comedy so much as act it out. That is, do the comedy. This is the comedy I will do. Indeed. So, who am I? Well, I already said that I'm an extremely smart liberal. What is an extremely smart liberal? I would say that it is a person who is liberal, extreme, smart, perhaps extremely smart, or perhaps even extremely liberal. Yes, this is how I would describe such a thing as my name. Extremely smart, liberal. Yes. Basically, I am extremely liberal for my social views, environmental views, and lifestyle choices. I am vegan, pacifistic, and non-reproductive. Or to use a niftier 2016 term, child-free. For life. Yes. Perhaps a less liberal thing about me is that I am also sexually abstinent for life. That is, celibate or chaste. Yes. Does the term liberal even mean anything? Not very specific. It includes many concepts, traits, qualities, arguments, and choices of individuals describing them, which may seem to contradict each other. So, no two liberals are alike. Each one is different. So, what's the deal with bathrooms? Transgender bathrooms, non-transgender bathrooms. Well, I think there should just be bathrooms for human beings. Yes, a very radical idea indeed. What about the picture on the bathroom door? The one which appears there. For that picture, I think we might show a toilet, a sink, people using the toilet? No. Someone using the sink? Perhaps. Perhaps. And then what about people who use their car horns frivolously? I don't think that's very nice. No, I don't think so at all. If you do this, please stop, because it does nothing productive. It only causes others stress while driving, for no good reason. So please, stop this. Thank you. So, that was our coverage of those two issues for today. But you may ask, what will appear in future shows? What is the purpose of this show? What is its meaning within the whole context of the entire sphere of things? Well, that is for you to decide.